We entered the territory of the Baikonur Cosmodrome in our old car. We walked all the night to get to the space complex, where the engineering miracle ship Buran is located. At the entrance to the territory, we had a conflict.
Vadim, come here. If you want to go with us, then be with us. Got it? I'm filming a video too. No need to do something without permission. We can be noticed. Got it? I'll do what I want.
Guys, stop fighting.
Because of you, we'll be caught. I didn't do anything. Why are you getting mad? I'm just telling you to be with us.
Enough, guys, we gotta go. Stop fighting.
I haven't done anything wrong. I was just filming the location. Stop it right there. Do as I say you. I'm not going to listen to you.
I thought the fight was about to start now.
No, everything is fine.
Are you sure?
Of course.
I always shoot everything, but I don't always post it.
That's the content.
Look at the spiky fences around here. Wow. Look here. It has got a thorny fence. As you can see, everything is under protection here. Another spiky fence along the second perimeter. Richard quickly walked away. I don't like this. What a huge hangar after all. Look at the anti-tank catchhawks. What are they doing here? I still didn't get it. Although maybe it's not a hedgehog. The second perimeter of the barbed wire. It's just everywhere. I don't see Richard. I can't go any further. There are many obscure objects here. What is this structure? Let's see. Look, there was something like a cannon here.
It doesn't even move.
Is it jammed? Or can you move it?
No, it's stuck.
Can you feel what the atmosphere is like here? Look how many collapsed buildings. And there, look. They all seem to be half exploded. There is even a staircase and a lot of barbed wire. Do you think no one noticed us? We were so noisy. See how scary the windows are. We want to go there, but the door is walled. And what is there?
Probably some kind of boiler room? I can't understand.
Guys, I think we found the entrance. Let's see what's there. The transformers were stolen and scrapped, probably. Found something? Does everybody know what is this thing? Anton, show me how to use it correctly. Come on. It flew great. It fell down there. Someone broke the windows.
But this is a closed area. Here probably too someone climbed.
Is this our entrance?
Yes.
It's written here, closed area, in 3 languages. Anton, this is a special sign to climb here, got it?
Yes, so no one would guess.
The atmosphere is great, but the entrance is terrible. This is crazy, guys. I can't imagine how I'm going to climb there. Is everything all right here on the other side?
And there a surprise awaits us.
Vadim, what kind of building is that?
Mill, I guess. It's high here. Hold my bags. I'll climb in too.
And there are broken windows too.
What is this with you?
What is it?
Did you hide a dish? Instead of a helmet. He was afraid of a sniper so that when they shot they couldn't kill him. It's like his bulletproof vest. Can you withstand me? Let me step on your shoulder, it will be easier.
Hold on to the wall.
I'll try to climb.
Damn.
He stepped on me. It's good that I wore this jacket. Is there a door? Are you kidding me?
Серьезно?
Was there a normal entrance? And we climbed here.
Ё-моё!
This is craziness. Why didn't you tell there is a normal entrance? Especially for you, so you don't have to climb through the window again. Come on in.
Listen, why did we get in here or not get into the hangar from here?
No.
Damn, it was so cool. Well, what could it be? It's located in the Buran hangar in the gas station. Whoa! What is this?
What? Next time listen to me. Well, for the sake of video, you can do that.
Вау!
The conditions of these stuffs are very good here, nothing was stolen. KT-805A was found at Baikonur. Quiet, quiet. Is this the entrance? Take a look. Or is that a panel room? From here maybe we won't go. Well, getting to the hangar is difficult. Now let's try to go from here. What is there?
There is a door.
Is it closed?
No.
Let's go then.
Вау!
It's so warm here.
There is a dead end.
That's a pity. There is one more panel room here. Here you see the walls are all black.
There are some taps.
What is that?
That's control sensor, huh?
Ага.
There are many ways here, but it's not clear how to get to the center of the hangar. It's not clear at all. In any case, there must be some kind of entrance. They're crazy. What is there? Also a dead end?
What's there?
See how the paint's coming off.
Maybe it's blood. You can climb in here. I see a door.
That's it, guys. We finally got the way into the hangar. Look, such a powerful panel board, and this is the space electronics. Be careful, these 310 volts, 2T286, there were cool transistors at that time. Guys, there are a few seconds left before entering the hangar. We're working through such things. It seems we need to go there. Whoa! There are some buttons. They are not working. So let's go in.
Moment of the truth.
Where is Buran?
Let's go in.
Was it stolen? Where is it? It's not here.
Let's look around. I was so helpful about it.
Where is it? Whoa, here it is. It's huge. Take a look.
It's freaking huge.
Whoa, check out its dimensions. This is massive.
This is a prototype, right?
Yes, it's Bura. Buran is further. It has no engine. It was 95% ready, but they didn't manage to finish it. And it's never saw space. Imagine how annoying it is. Imagine how many people were engaged in its development. How many scientists. How much hard work was wasted. By the way, the shell looks like a tiles.
You see something round on the tail? It looks like dynamics and speakers.
Do you know what it is? These are course correction engines. They release air and now in the airship in space so that it flies smoothly.
Do they just let the air out?
Something like that. Let's go take a closer look. Look at these rails.
It was really worth it.
Check out the boosters. By the way, they say that they installed the lateral correction engines. Someone was here probably, someone's name is written. See how black the tiles are. Guys, space is closer. Anton, look at the gate to launch Buran.
As they show in the movies. Damn, they weigh so many tons.
This was a refueling station. The airship was supposed to be fueled here. Well, let's leave our thing somewhere and check it out. What is that hole? Whoa, this is a hatch. Look. How do we get there? See where a hatch is. Everything here is very huge. There are a lot of constructions. Whoa, here is the Buran. Here's the Buran. It has a different shell and no correction engine. They were not installed because it was full spice prototype, a complete copy of the spacecraft Buran that flew into space. The astronauts were trained on this model.
Shall we leave our things in the Buran?
Yeah, let's put them there. Do you think this is a comfortable place? This is the entrance. The stairs are placed perfectly. Damn, what a terrible echo. The steps are very unreliable. From there you can really fall. The leader is held on only one hook. Is there no other entrance? This seems to be the only entrance. The staircase is very old.
Damn, guys, take the tent. It's really heavy. Don't just look at me like that. I was freaking scared.
Really?
Come on.
Damn, it's scary.
It's all because of the boots.
The stairs are wobbly. Do not climb together at the same time. Only one can climb on the stairs at a time. It can hardly stand one and you are trying together.
At the top, it just hangs on this hook. That's it.
Give me your hand. We climbed the wing. It feels like we just climbed onto the wing of the plane. See some taps on it. What if some gas comes out? Doesn't spin, right? Check out this. Injection, suction, medium control, refueling drain fuel, nitrogen charging, pouring, draining.
Like a bomb.
It could explode, of course. Well, this is a spaceship and here is the canning, like a high-temperature hot plate so that it won't burn out.
But inside it feels like polystyrene.
And here, look, it's so soft. What kind of material is this? Whoa, the wing wobbles so strongly. Guys, I didn't film me going through this door, but it was very cramped. Look, there is some kind of super thermal insulation here. Everything here is so cosmic, amazing. Look, appearing of the drain, preservation of the engine, refueling, drain fuel, nitrogen filling. Whoa. See what a space boiler. Wow, the stalkers climbed to the pipe. There is still so much equipment left in it, and it's not convenient to climb like that. Apparently, in zero gravity it was more comfortable here. Everything is so cosmic here. To touch this something incredibly cool. It's not convenient to climb here at all. It's very cramped. There probably were computers, or maybe not, but it's definitely some kind of electronics. Look, there are some contact points left from it. Are you guys here for a rest?
My legs hurt a little.
Have you seen what a space protection is here? Buran has already impressed me.
Oh, damn, it hurts. You stepped on my fingers. You know how they hurt me.
Sorry. Look at this barrel. Will it explode? Have you seen how convex it is?
It's aluminium.
This is also aluminium. Look what it is. There is a golden plate or contacts haven't yet been stolen. There is also a 3-in-1 capacitor. This costs a huge money.
This one?
Yes, they are gilded.
I got wounds on my legs because of the boots. It hurts.
Is that why you're taping them up?
Yes. We're taping our legs in spacecraft. How do you like that, Elon Musk?
And what is this?
Probably a cargo compartment.
That is, they wanted to load a nuclear bomb here?
Most likely, yes.
Well, this is a huge place. One could load a lot of things here. Let's go see further. There are many tubes here like in nuclear power plants. So, certain and scary. Whoa, there is one more compartment. I'm going there. Guys, it's very dangerous here. Everything vibrates here. The force of gravity prevents me from moving along the ground. This device is not designed to stand on the ground. It must fly in the space. What is that? Looks like some kind of spherical containers.
It looks like baby balls where they can sit and ride. Here, as I understand it, there were many different liquids.
In cylinders?
Nitrogen or hydrogen.
Yes, that was hydrogen, I guess. What a thermal insulation. Everything is designed for space temperatures. I really feel like an astronaut. I have to fly into ISS. That would be cool. This is a pressure alarm. Cool. Everything is so soft. Well, let's move on. There is also some kind of compartment here. Let's see what's inside. It's empty. Here is most likely there was some kind of electronic wiring, but everything was removed or stolen. Damn, look at this spherical thing. There was air pressure in it and there were people in it. And here probably there was a cosmic discharge. Let me see. By the way, the hatch is very light. Close and down, now it's hard to open. The hatch must have been pressed with pressure. There are special gaskets. By the way, there are not so many for space technology. Only 2 rubber bands. Did they hold the pressure well? It's very lightweight. Look, I open it with my little finger. In general, the weight is less. This is probably not stainless steel, but duralumin. It is probably titanium for temperature equalization or something. Imagine how everything was cosmically adjusted here.
That's crazy.
What does this remind you of?
Looks like some kind of pressure valve.
Looks explosive.
Well, yes. This is probably for liquid nitrogen, for refueling.
How to get in here? We need weightlessness. It's hard to do this without it. This is space.
Why can't you climb?
Wait.
Shall we turn on gravity?
Yes, do it. Oh, finally. Have you noticed how uncomfortable it is to climb? This is because the force of gravity is getting in your way. It will be very convenient in space. You can grab these handles and fly.
In space you can just...
Jumped and flew up there. There are so many things here. There is a gateway for spacewalk.
Let me get in there.
Just don't fall. Come on. Get in. How's that? Open the hatch, you see? The signs where you need to turn it.
Everything is so new here.
Are there any kind of actuators to give a voltage and open? Maybe that's some kind of motor on the right or pneumatics. I don't understand.
Actuators?
Yes, to give electricity so that it opens up. It's kind of asking me to supply it to 120 volts. The row open and close are signed. Come on, try to open it. It's firm and closed, right? Here, after all, it's not an ordinary door.
There is some kind of cylinder here.
Yes, and it's not the only one. There is one more on the other side, but slightly less.
Pressure valve, the tap here works.
You see, everything is on hydraulics here.
Check out this cladding. It's not ordinary, but with Velcro. Everything is sealed here, wires everywhere. It seems to me that everything is automatic here.
Guys, we couldn't open it. It's a pity. Let's try next time. Everything here was controlled by hydraulic, not electricity. This complicates our task because there is nowhere to supply electricity because there are some kind of pipes everywhere. What did you do?
I started the spacecraft.
Look at this accordion, just like on old buses.
It also moved apart?
Yes, so now our task is to find the cabin. You see, it's wooden, not real. This is just a dummy.
Well, that's understandable.
Look, imitator. The dashboard, but these are just dummies. Everything is not real. What else did you see there? Whoa!
It hurts a lot. Look, it's a rocket.
This is a dummy of fire extinguisher, guys. What are you doing with it?
Fire extinguisher?
Yes,
That takes some effort to make it out of wood.
maybe he had plenty of time.
I know what it is for. Look. One in your mouth?
And the other?
Guess it. All good?
Look, don't fall. It's very dangerous there. Anton came out through the spare hatch.
Quiet, quiet.
Is someone there? Check out the height.
Richard says to be quieter. He heard something. I know, this goes in the mouth and this here. Come on, let's begin. You know, it's kind of weird. Do you know what it is? What? Of course, it's not good to talk about such a thing on camera, but with the help of this, the astronauts went to the toilet. No, you're kidding. The pump used to be turned on.
And everything sucked out, yeah?
Yes,
Вау.
Whoa, do it again.
Ой.
I can't.
How did you do that?
Just pulled on myself.
You can pull it again?
Wait.
Вау.
What's inside? Is it empty?
Yes.
Is that how the astronauts were fastened? You put your hands and it get locked.
BDSM? What the heck?
Now we'll get into the control cabin. The most interesting part is there. After what we have already overcome, guys, it's not longer difficult to climb here.
Ой, а чё?
Whoa, look, what's there? Something cosmic. Oh, this is a gateway to spacewalk. It opened there.
Всё.
Here the glass is also broken.
Смотри, какие стекла.
So they broke the basaltic glass, or how it's called. They are very thick. Why they broke it, I don't understand. Is this a cockpit?
Yes.
Why it's so cramped here? It's good that at least there are windows. Their manometers were left. Actually, their overlook was small, only 6 small windows, but nevertheless it was more pleasant to fly that way. The chairs themselves apparently were stolen. The headrest is really cool.
Блин.
There was a joystick that would control the steering wheel. There was some rigid mechanism below. Oh, there were many more buttons here, but they were dismantled. Look, the second one is moving. It must have been controlled by the engine. Nothing works anymore. Ventilation control, and here is the gas.
Максимальный малый.
Look. Check this out. There are some kind of relays clicking. I can imagine how scary it was to accelerate in space.
Приборы.
Here they put some picture of Gagarin.
Дарик Гагарина.
Well, Anton climbed onto the roof of the Buran. Take the camera.
Damn, how scary it is here. Can easily fall.
Охренеть.
But the cladding is soft here because this is a model.
Макет, да?
But I'm feeling dizziness because of the height.
Ты у нас
Everything is staggering here.
дребезжит.
There's some kind of basin. I wonder why there is a basin here. What? Some car arrived? Alex.
It's very inconvenient here. In general, just now someone on street was talking on the radio. We're afraid that we don't get caught. I don't know who is talking here. Hope we don't end up in a problem. Some guys entered the hangar and working around the spacecraft. Quiet. Being on this spaceship run, we want to revive some of its electrical parts. For this we took such a powerful lithium battery. It's polymer and high current one, and we also took 100 watt inverter. Let's go and see what happens. Let's connect it. Okay.
Holy shit! This is insane!
First we need to find something that's arrived here, but it's not an easy task. See what's here? We're trying to figure it out. Yes, it definitely won't work. I saw a weird thing there. What it is? Everything here works on hydraulic, which is a little sad because it won't work on electricity. There are a lot of tubes here. There is a kind of fuel tank, a lifting point, fastening, and a container. I just can't figure out what it is. We're now in the engine bay, so that it's chance to find something interesting here. It looks like some kind of walkie-talkie. Well, guys, seems nothing's arrived here. The KT-106 diode was used with the screw capacitors. It's sad to see that they cut off such a cool cables. You see, the most interesting thing is that there are not even lighting bulbs. Where did they go? Maybe you know why are they not here?
I don't know.
This is a cargo compartment where Buran has to carry its cargo, and it's clear that there is also problems with electrics. I don't know what it is, but it has a huge number of indents. We must look from below where they go. There is some kind of box, and it's empty here. They're not even soldered on this side. Most likely they didn't have time to finish it. Horrible. There must be some kind of small engine or generator.
There must have been some kind of light bulbs there. Wasn't that a lamp once?
I also thought it was a lamp, but there are no words under it. What do we see here? All hydraulic don't work and electrical devices are all limitations. How much does all devices weigh? It's written that it weighs 400 grams. It's all plastic, it's all fake. It looks like there was no electrical devices here. Most likely electrical equipment was installed here. See, I don't understand anything.
By the way, look, it's glowing.
Yeah, maybe it's radioactive. Do you have a dosimeter with you?
No.
Okay, look, it's written that this is a dummy.
Got it.
By the way, there are lads here. That's strange.
Press it down. Wow, it looks like a furnace.
It's like a small microwave or refrigerator. How to turn it on? Gotta look.
This is a dummy too. You see, it's wooden.
And the lad is real, all from the 80s.
I'm sure there are no wires there.
It turns out that there is a model of microwave stolen from the USSR. We found it. Can you imagine? So as you can see, there are no electrics at all. In fact, it has never been here as I understand. Although there are some kind of wires handed in, but they are cut off. What are these things, Phils? You want to know, but they look cool. I found something. Look at this fan.
It's also from the Soviet Union times.
Maybe we can turn it on? It seems to be 220 volts and convergers with our inverter. It remains to connect the wires and check whether it works or not. Let's connect it. So far nothing happens for some reason. Maybe the button should be pressed. Okay, there was something. No, that's from inverter. I feel that the vibration has started. It's blowing.
Yes, it blows cold air.
You feel it?
I thought the inverter was making so much noise.
It looks like an air conditioner. It vibrates so much. I don't know. Did they use it in the space? Maybe the tension is not enough, or on the contrary, very high, because we don't know how many volts it actually was.
It's exactly like an air conditioner.
By the way, in the burrow that stands nearby, they say the conditions is even worse. I saw the photo on the internet, and even the windows are broken there. What was that?
The battery has fallen.
I'll pick it up now. I don't know how the astronauts get in there. It's really inconvenient here. There was some kind of unit here, you see? I don't know what was there, but there are 2 connectors access to the cams. There are also some gears. Maybe we can try to start them. This, by the way, is the engine compartment. If someone didn't know, and this huge round thing above us in this package, this is initially a place for the engine. Look at that blue tank there. Probably the liquid oxygen was mixed with something, and there was a crazy reaction. And here is the engine itself. The jet nozzle is there. By the way, we'll also try to revive it, but with a slightly different method. And this pipe which you see now, the fuel was mixed and blown out over there. These are apparently tanks for this. There is another one. There is some kind of panel. Anton wants to set fireworks there. Yes, let's give him a little life.
Man, it's scary here.
I don't understand how the astronauts got there.
Don't you see the turbine here?
It's above you on the left.
I didn't get it.
You're right under it now.
It's above there?
Look at me. There it is. Do you see that horn kind of thing? Guys, we took such a huge pyrotechnic fountain especially for this. The main thing that it doesn't explode loudly. We're told that it should work quietly.
So guys, I get into some kind of fuel compartment where the rocket itself. This is really something. Damn, it's scary. Now I'll set up fireworks. Victor, can you pass me the 2-sided tape from there to here?
Just look what a huge spaceship.
So shall we bring this spaceship back to life?
Come on, go for it, light it up.
Uh-oh. 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 Yeah! Woo!
Fly into space, bro!
Crazy.
We flew into space!
That's not all. Wait and watch.
This is insane! Damn!
Жесть!
We launched it!
Правда?
Of course not as we would like, but nevertheless we got a bit of that feeling. Hope you enjoyed this show. We really did our best for you. Alex, how do you like it?
It was mega cool. It turned out dazzling. So Buran will breathe a little life into you even in this way, but it's better than just rot and rust here.
I didn't expect that in the end it would be like...
We decided to have some food right in the Buran. Be careful, don't burn the spaceship.
There you go. Here, by the way, the burner is so interesting.
There is a special mesh.
Really?
Seriously? Whoa.
This is the maximum fire.
I think it's enough to heat up.
It's economical, huh?
Very economical. You see how it is heating up?
I wonder how long it will take to heat up this room.
I don't know, well, what do you think with Buran was so popular with, how it's unique?
It was one of the spacecraft that flew into space and returned on autopilot.
It can be said that it was a reusable rocket. Why does it look like an airplane? Because it can land. That is, it can take off into space like a rocket, then land, then take off, land again, and so on. Therefore, there is a version that I have heard many times.
Wait, can I make a guess?
Go ahead.
I hope it was not just a bomb.
No.
No?
Not at all. They proposed it was taken off into space through means in space and at a certain moment descend to the desired higher than 10,000 meters and can drop anything anywhere in the world. Any bomb. In a sense, this means that the USSR completely controlled space and was winning the Cold War.
It was like check and mate.
Yes, now look what happened. Buran flew into space in 1988, but in 1986, the Chernobyl nuclear power plant exploded for a reason, because the Jupiter plant was located nearby. Do you know what they produced there?
Details for Buran? No, they made tape recorders there.
No, that was a cover-up.
So what was in reality?
Their Soviet computers were developed for military technologies, including the development Buran's brain. Well, not just brains, but special ones that allowed it to automatically land. It has never been done before.
So in 86 they were working on it?
Yes, there was a version that the Americans provoked an accident at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in order to stop this plant. The people were evacuated due to the accident, but the plant continued to operate until 88, until they made a full order. They fulfilled the order, Buran was launched and was successfully landed with an accuracy of 1 meter. This was a very high indicator.
Amazing.
Yes, but the Americans still somehow influenced this. All the USSR collapsed, and all the other 14 Burans that were built didn't see space.
Wow.
Can you imagine?
At least we saw them. You seem to have taken out all the cards on the table like checkmate. Yes. We are shocked, really.
There are, of course, no facts that confirm this.
Then we must go to the Jupiter plant and find evidence. Well, logically what you said makes sense.
At that time, it was very important to control space. Whoever controls the space controls the entire Earth. Buran could fly into Earth's atmosphere from the space, drop any bomb, and disappear into space again.
It was powerful.
In order to overcome the first 10,000-meter carrier rocket was used Energy M, which we'll look at today. It was specially designed to raise Buran by 10,000 meters, and then, as I understand, it flew into space on its own.
So it was like an additional jetpack. It took off and the capsule detached.
Yes, and it further flew itself. That is, itself could go down or go up further. It could descend to a height of 10,000 meters and then go up into space.
The fuel was enough, right?
Yes, it could fly in space itself, but to take off from stretch, it needs additional energy.
Imagine this technology was invented by only one person.
A huge number of scientists have worked on these. You can imagine how much work was put into these, but now it's all just lying around here. Look, everything is destroyed. All these Burans were supposed to fly in space, but...
You told this story and I seem to have watched a movie, and now you brought me back to reality. See what's left here now.
That's the reality.
Your hair seems to have moved from the story.
Where have all these scientists gone? Not in the USA by any chance?
Most likely, yes.
Do you know how many Russians work there in Silicon Valley or Google or other developments? Why are they not in Russia?
Maybe there is a good opportunity to prove yourself and live in peace. That's a pity.
Now Buran is a stalker hideout, but we'll go to cook food on this burner right on the wing of it. We're really hungry. Hope it tastes good.
Yes, let's go put a tent on the wing of Buran.
Yes, we'll spend the night.
Let's take a break.